Hey everyone, this is a Kyocera M3660, and there's two parts to this. There's two problems. One is a loud screeching noise or a loud squeak coming from the rear of the printer whenever it's making a copy. And the second problem is lines on the copies or dirty images or smudges, which is a bad main charge assembly. I'll show how to fix those two problems. So this goes all the way back to even the P3145s and P3260s, and also the FS 4200, 4300 series as well. So the repair is basically the same part. So let me go ahead and play this. So this is an M3660, and you're going to hear the screech right here. So that was a loud screech coming out from the back of the printer. So if you look in the back of the printer and pull down that rear exit guide latch, and right where the fuser is, there's going to be that door that you pull down. Just take some multi-purpose grease, like any type of multi-purpose lube, and just go ahead and lube these four black exit guide rollers. They're like vertical rollers that runs vertical at the rear of the printer. So I just apply a couple of drops on each side of that roller, right where the roller meets the shaft, and that will help that that roller to be lubed, and that's what's causing that loud screeching noise. It's the friction between the roller and the shaft. So once that lube is in there, give it a couple of spins, and that should take care of the screeching or that loud squealing noise coming from the rear of the printer. Alright, second part to this is the black lines, and open up the drum, pull the drum straight out, and then pull up this main charge assembly with that left click, sorry. And then once you get the main charge assembly out, on the opposite side of the gear, you're gonna just apply a flat head right to the silver shaft of the main charge. Pull it gently up. Do not release the left side, just release the right side. Pull off that double bushing, and I'm gonna slide out the upper roller, which is the main charge roller, from the left side bushing. Now, if you have a good roller but it's just dirty, it may cause those lines on the pages. What I do is I like to clean the roller first before replacing it and see how the image quality comes out, because most of the time the roller is just built up with just a film that coats up on the main charge roller. So I just take some detergent, some soapy water. I use a liquid organic cleaner. I give it a few squirts on a green Scotch-Brite scrubber, and I just go to town and just scrub that surface of the main charge roller until I see it nice and clean and black, rather than that white film that builds up on the main charge roller surface itself. So I give it a good scrub, and I take a dry cloth and I totally wipe down all the residue off of this main charge roller. And this is a good time to check the roller surface itself if you can see any bumps on it. It normally, when it gets really old, it starts to develop blisters where cleaning it just won't do the job. You don't have to replace it at that point. But seeing that this machine is not super old, I mean, it's the drum is not even reached its yield. I just wanted to give it a good cleaning, and normally that's what it takes to get rid of the lines. So as you can see, that felt roller on the inside, I left the left side of it in the bushing. So I'm gonna just now apply the main charge roller to the left side of the bushing as well, holding it into place, and then applying the double bushing onto both of these rollers. I don't pull out everything because just to keep it simple, so I don't have to reassemble everything else, and just snap it back in. And that's the main charge assembly. Reassembly is very simple. Just reverse the process. You start off with the right side, and the clip is on the left. It just clips into place, no screws, and just slide the drum back in. That's it.